Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can setting a cover of your video in CapCut apps. So first you can go to new project and select your video that you like to edit. So I'm going to open my project, and to change the cover of the video you can select a cover in the left of the clip. So click and you can change part that you want to make as a cover, or you can select upload and select photo that you like to make as a cover. For example, select this cover, you can edit. Oh, sorry. Or you can use template here. Yeah, so but I'm going to select this cover and just click save in the top right corner, and you can see the new cover right here. And so when you save it in the gallery or upload it to social media, the display that is visible is this cover. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.